Welcome to Perth Children's Hospital. While you are a patient here, you can order a meal anytime between 6 a.m. and 5 p.m. from our delicious menu. It's called our Meals on Demand service, and this video is a step-by-step guide on how to order food during your hospital stay. To order a meal, you will need to use the CBORD Patient App. It's easy to find on Google Play or in the Apple Store. You can also scan the QR code on the meal poster in your room using a mobile phone or device. If you don't have a mobile phone or need some help ordering, you can ask a nurse to contact a menu assistant. You can order breakfast, lunch and dinner each day that you are here at PCH, as well as morning tea and an afternoon snack. And if you're a busy parent or caregiver, you can place meal orders from home, work or anywhere by simply using the CBORD app. Ordering food is not only easy, it's safe on the app. We make sure there are only safe food options for our patients, so you don't have to worry about things like allergies, food and ingredients that may disagree with treatment and recovery. When you open the CBORD app for the first time, select Create an Account. You can enter an email address and set a password, so you can log in easily next time you order a meal. You will then need to enter the facility ID, which is PCH, patient date of birth and MRN, found on all patient wristbands. Open the menu and select Today and Tomorrow to see all the yummy meals and snacks you can order. If you are aged 13 or older, you can order your own meals. But if you are aged 12 or under, you will need an adult to help you. Make sure you browse the different food categories before choosing your meals. Once you decide, just tap Add to Order next to the food option. If you change your mind, tap the red Remove button. Once you've made your selections, click Order Summary to double-check everything before confirming your order. You can also choose a delivery time for your meal, or you can leave it blank and your food will be delivered within 1 hour of the order being placed. If you forget to place an order for breakfast or lunch, a meal will not be automatically delivered. So be sure to order so we have something ready for you. The dinner order cut-off time is 5 p.m. If you do not place an order by that time, a dinner of the day will be delivered to your room. So remember to order by 5 p.m. and don't forget to select your preferred delivery time too.
Yeah.
If you are staying at PCH for a while, you may need to attend school lessons. Ask your nurse for information about school hours in hospital, including when meal breaks are. Make sure you don't order meals while lessons are on. If you are unsure about something or have any concerns, you can ask our wonderful ward staff for help or a menu assistant when they deliver your meals. We hope you enjoy your meals while staying at PCH.